Hey everyone, John Chow here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Char Siu pork. Okay, so this is the cut we'll be using to make our Char Siu pork. It is a pork shoulder, and I had it cut into a strip like this because a pork shoulder is pretty big. You can buy it, you have to butcher cut it, or you can cut it yourself. I bought this as part of a big pork shoulder. It's the front of the shoulder, not the rear side, but either one will work. You could use the front shoulder or the rear shoulder of the pig. I like my pork with a good mixture of lean and fat. Some people like their Char Siu or barbecue pork very, very lean. Some people like it very, very fat. I like to get a piece that's, like this. This is ideal. This is, for me, this is ideal Char Siu pork. The fat adds a lot of flavor and keeps the lean parts nice and tender. First step, we take our tenderizer and we start poking some holes in it. And this will allow me to get the marinade deep into the pork. So just poke some holes onto all sides here. I mean, this is actually great stress release, you know. You have a bad day, you just gotta get out my bad dumb boss, and it's like, yeah, let's do that. Okay, that's good. All right, we'll be using this Char Siu sauce. Basically, you can make it yourself, but I found out this is just as good. So you could buy this at most Asian grocery stores, like 99 Ranch or H Mart. Suck out all the air. Alright. Roll it up. Put this in the fridge for 4 to 12 hours and let the marinade soak in. Alrighty. I set the sous vide machine to 150 degrees. I'm gonna put it in there. All right. It's gonna let it cook for 12 hours. So right now it's 11:30 p.m. It'll be ready in time for tomorrow, 11:30 a.m. in time for lunch. So see you tomorrow. What we're going to do now is put some more Char Siu sauce on the surface for the boiling process. So, yeah, just smooth some on there. You could brush it on with a brush. I just use a spoon because I don't have a brush, unfortunately. So. And just add some honey. This is Kirkland, got it from Costco. And just drizzle it on top. This will bring a sweetness to the pork. Yeah. Oil pan. Set the oven to boil, 15 minutes, 450 degrees. Start the preheating process. The lowest rack. Alright, basically 15 minutes, 7 minutes, we're gonna flip it over and then coat the other side and then finish it off in the next 7 minutes. Alright, 7 minutes is up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at second side. Okay, another 7 minutes. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. The final part, this stuff, the oil that's on here, pour it over. Yeah, that really brings in the flavor. Perfect. Bon appetit.